we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of VIPSUN robot vacuum. That's include deeper cleaning with all-in-one system. The robot applies high-performance vacuum and mopping technology to effectively remove everyday household hygiene challenges, from dust to stains with ease, leaving you with a noticeably cleaner floor. Multiple water flow adjustments and the composite motorized design make it flexible enough to satisfy your different cleaning needs. Powerful 4500 PA suction for an efficient clean. With the characteristics of hyperforce power and multi-layer compound filtration, the robotic vacuum can effortlessly capture different dirt and debris for whole home. Paired with the advanced hair-friendly design to minimize tangling, it thoroughly cleans pet hair or human hair. Convenient customization with app and voice control. Tailor the clean when and where you need it. You can set the robot aspirators to your preference for the daily cleaning of dirt, dust, and debris with the smart app or your voice assistant. For effortlessly clean floors. Simple your cleaning life with the hands-free innovative system in different household scenarios. Full suite of sensing and 3D obstacle avoidance. It possesses an intelligent adaptive adjustment system, which can override sensing and avoidance in complex environments in seconds. Aiming to better and more efficiently automate a variety of cleaning tasks, even in hidden places. Long-lasting cleaning with a larger dustbin and water tank. The robot can be powered by a supersized battery power for extend cleaning with combined dustbin and water tank, supporting a maximum vacuuming range of 3,229 square feet. In addition, it takes care of every corner day and night, so you do not have to. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.